Welcome to your installation guide to Ampolite Lexan Thermoclear. Firstly, a note on site safety. In all applications, sheeting should not be used to support a person's weight during installation or cleaning. A temporary wooden beam or other device supported by the roof structure should always be used. Installation hints. For 700mm sheets, you will need rafter spacings of 720mm, whilst larger 1050mm sheets will require 1070mm spacings. Purlin or batten spacings considerations are not required as our unique H-bar provides the support strength required to secure the sheets. Both sides of the sheet are UV protected and can therefore be installed with either side facing up. Sheet ribs or flutes must run vertically with the fall of the structure. Sheeting can be cut to lengths using a power saw fitted with a fine tooth blade of a type suitable for plastic. A sharp blade can be used for cutting to width. Lastly, it is important to only use sealants that are 100% chemically compatible with polycarbonate sheeting. Installation guide. Step 1. Peel back the protective film 50mm on all edges of the sheets. Clear the flutes in the sheeting using a vacuum cleaner or compressed air gun. Peel the backing from the aluminium sealer tape and apply carefully to the ridge ends of the sheets to seal the flutes. Next, peel the backing from the aluminium breather tape and apply carefully to the gutter end of the sheet. If the existing structure has battens, place anti-noise tape on the battens to prevent excessive noise. Step 2. Drill a small oval weep hole on the lower end or underside of the first measured H-bar. For ease, the weep holes can be drilled in the channel on the ground before installing. Place the first H-bar on the rafter with the grooved side facing up. Secure through the groove with 12-gauge hex head screws that are compatible with the framing material with maximum spacings of 600mm. Step 3. Apply the H-bar gasket to the entire length of a sheet and push the sheet into the H-bar. Apply the H-bar gasket to the other side of the sheet, then push the next H-bar section onto the sheet and fix into position. Continue until all the sheets are fixed, ensuring that every rafter has a H-bar. The void side of the two outer H-bars can be filled with the H-bar finishing gasket. Step 4. Place the end cap gasket over the sealer tape and breather tape at the ends of the sheets, stopping at the H-bar sections. Push the aluminium end cap over the entire width of the twin wall structure, covering both the gasket and H-bar. Then, fasten the aluminium end cap through the H-bar using a single screw at every rafter. At the gutter end, drill a small oval weep hole through the end cap at 1 metre intervals. Lastly, remove the protective film from all sheets. In high wind areas, if battens are in place to prevent excessive deflection, the sheets will require additional fixing. Generally, for 700mm width sheets, drill an 11mm oversized hole through the midpoint of the sheet and secure to the batten using a single screw with a bonded washer. The 1050mm width sheets will require 2 fixings with bonded washers at even spacing across each batten. Contact Ampolite for specific requirements. As you can see, the Ampolite Lexan Thermoclear is easy to install and provides a unique solution both for domestic and commercial applications. Always refer to the installation guides available on our website to ensure the correct installation of the product. Thank you for watching our installation guide. For more information about the installation process, please visit ampolite.com.au or call 1800 800 094.